Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to Mailchimp with Constant Contact, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Mailchimp with Constant Contact, begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for your profile name in the top right corner and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Account. Next, find the Extras option in the menu and click on API. To create a new key, click on the Create a Key button. Copy the newly generated API key to your clipboard. Now, open a new tab and log into your Constant Contact account. Once you're logged in, go to the Contacts section from the main dashboard. Look for the Integrations option within the menu. Click on Add Integration to begin the connection process. In the Integrations list, search for Mailchimp and select it. You will be prompted to enter your Mailchimp API key. Paste the API key you copied earlier into the designated field. After pasting the key, click on Connect. The screen will refresh, confirming that the integration was successful. Next, you will need to set up your synchronization preferences. Choose how you want your contacts to sync between Mailchimp and Constant Contact. Once you have made your selections, save your preferences. Your accounts are now successfully connected. You can begin managing your email marketing campaigns through both platforms. If you encounter any issues, double-check your API key in integration settings. Review the help resources provided by both Mailchimp and Constant Contact for additional support. Congratulations, you've successfully connected Mailchimp with Constant Contact. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.